Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open Workbench in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for to be able to connect to Workbench, you will need first to have a Salesforce account or be part of organization, and after that, you will be able to create or log in into your Workbench. Simply all you need to do is to go to the website for the Workbench and just go to the URL section and type workbench.developerforce.com and then click enter, and from there you will need just to choose the environment where you want to use the Workbench from. Either it should be a sandbox or the production environment, and of course you can choose your API version. Then you agree to the term, you log in with your Salesforce account, and you will be able to start manipulating your workbench. Basically, in my case, I have this error with the API, but you will be able to do many operations using this workbench. So, for example, you can start exploring the metadata of the all the elements in the workbench or the Salesforce, and you can start learning more. You can start creating SOQL queries in inside the workbench. You can migrate your packages by deploying inside the workbench, and it has many additional utilization. So as you can see, you can have the queries or informations about the standard and custom objects. You can query and try and test the API calls. You can SOQL using the Workbench in Salesforce. So as you can see, you can start creating queries and executing them. You can also export the data with the Workbench from your Salesforce data in fields, etc. So basically, this is how you can open the Workbench. Thank you for watching and see you next time.